Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of a beautiful model home in the Wildflower Crossing community by the Mattamy Homes here in Kitchener, Ontario. Here's what we'll do. I'll get inside the house, tell you everything you need to know about your options, the pricing, the incentives in this particular community, and then I'll take you on a tour of the beautiful home. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. All right, so let me tell you everything you need to know about your options for a single garage detached within this Wildflower Crossing community. So you have 4 different floor plans to choose from, ranging from 1,500 square feet all the way to 2,100 square feet with a 3 and a 4 bedroom layout. Price range, you're looking at high 8, about 860s into the 980s. So that's the price range for the single garage detached homes. All of them are located on a 30 feet wide lot. Now let me tell you about some great incentives Mattamy is currently offering with the purchase. That includes $10,000 off the purchase price for any lot, $10,000 in decor dollars. You're looking hardwood on the main floor and oak stairs, and you are also looking at 9 feet ceiling as a standard for any of these homes. Now this has some of the many incentives Mattamy is including. Some of the other ones are free assignments. In terms of closing, you are looking at 12 to 15 months closing. So between May and September of 2025, you are looking at $100,000 deposit over the period of 90 days shall you decide to purchase one of these lots. And on the top of that, if you do choose to work with me and represent you towards the purchase of any of this home, I will add an additional incentive that includes 10% off my gross commission back to you as a cashback at the time of closing. So that could mean thousands of dollars back to you in your pocket. So be sure to reach out in case you have more questions or want to find out more details about any particular lot or particular incentive in this particular community. I've also done a tour of the 2-story townhomes. They have a couple of models here within this community. So be sure to check out on this channel in case you have not already. You'll definitely fall in love with it as well. But without further ado, I know you guys have been waiting for a tour of this beautiful home. So let's dive right in and let me take you on a tour of this gorgeous home.